Hello teacher, classmate. This is agenda. The agenda for today is first, introduce myself. Second, talk about my trip experience in Colombia coffee region. Third, the whether Colombians coffee exists. And finally, recommendations if you go to Colombian coffee region. So let's start with the presentation. Introduction. Maria Magdalena Jaimes Ortega. I am 35 years old. I am a student environment engineer. I am from Pamplona, North Santander. I am married and I have two kids. I love listening to music and love reading books. I work in Madrid. My trip experience in the Colombian coffee region. Last vacation and have visit in Colombia coffee region. I was there with my husband and my kids. I really felt I love when I visited the special place that had this region, also known as the Coffee Triangle. It is place conformed for four departments like Caldas, Quindío, Risaralda, and Tolima, which represent the coffee culture like the axis of citizens. Colombia Coffee Region. He visited the thermals and Santa Rosa de Cabal. They were awesome. Also, he visited Recuca Park and there he met about the coffee history. And finally, the coffee park was most a beautiful part that I have ever met. Colombian coffee region. I visited the south and met some dangerous animals about the Colombian tunes and just to say that was wonderful and I worked some handicraft. Weather. When I was there, the weather was coldy, sometimes was rainy, sometimes was warm and sunny. Giving recommendation. You should never reject a help people for the children are some feel Frailly, you should never insult the people they don't know the conflicted people. You should better call a taxi if you accept many coffee liquor charges. You must know being angry happens and like a virus there. Thank you.